we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. You and I can weather any storm.
Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars through the floor. Now put your loving on me, eh, loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, we'll try to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. yeah, body too.
I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk,
I love growing my own herbs right beside my window on my table. So this is thyme. I'm picking rosemary and thyme, and we're going to make some fresh bread with olive oil, herbs, organic flour, no sugar, and just a little sea salt. Actually, it's Himalayan salt. Yeah, Himalayan salt and dry active yeast. So this is the thyme, and you can see I have some rosemary here. And since it's fresh, it is very potent, so you only need a little. And as soon as I pick a little bit more, we are going to chop it up a little bit and add it to our flour mixture. I'm using 2 cups of very warm water, not too hot, 1 tablespoon of Himalayan salt, 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, and I'm going to mix that together until it's all dissolved as well as it can dissolve. And then we're going to actually use 4 cups of organic flour and about 2, maybe 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm just mixing this up very well, no kneading required, and then I'm just going to let it sit for 2 hours with the lid on top, and I'm going to leave the lid just cracked a tiny bit for air. While this dough is setting, we're going to go out for a walk in my backyard. There are many different berries, flowers, herbs, and trees around, and we really should learn what it is we have around us because we can utilize it for medicine and food. These are buffalo berries. After 2 hours, you want to sprinkle a little bit of flour on the top, punch it down, and then shape it. And then you're going to want to put it in the pan that you sprinkled your corn flour on and let it sit for another 40 minutes. At the end of 40 minutes, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 450 degrees, and then you're going to put it in the oven to bake for approximately 26 to 30 minutes. When I realized the garbage that was put into our food and our breads, I stopped and I changed my life.
I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing.
This will be your very favorite bread recipe, and it's so simple, and it has no sugar, and you don't need to knead it.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, this being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars.